And while the Chief Minister is languishing in jail on corruption charges, a hearing has begun in the Supreme Court on a petition that has been filed by Arvind Kejriwal, who has challenged his arrest in the Delhi excise scam. In fact, the matter is presently being heard by the bench headed by Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma. Now, the BJP has repeatedly demanded the resignation of the Chief Minister, who has been continuing to operate from inside custody. Now, they are claiming that the Chief Minister must resign on moral grounds. Anshul joins us for the very latest. Anshul, over to you. Tell us a little bit more about this petition filed by Arvind Kejriwal and the latest you're hearing from the Apex Court.
So yes, this petition that was filed from the side of Arvind Kejriwal actually goes ahead and says that the manner in which the Chief Minister has been arrested is illegal and his arrest has now been challenged in front of the Supreme Court. Remember, the enforcement lawyers from the Enforcement Directorate had asked for a time of 1 week from the court to actually reply to this petition, and today finally they are replying to this petition on which the arguments are happening. Interestingly, at this point, the Enforcement Directorate has gone ahead and for the first time said that it was the Aam Aadmi party who had laundered money by the way of Arvind Kejriwal, and this money was actually used in Goa elections. Now, the allegation has for the first time has now come out against the Aam Aadmi party itself, whereas the arguments that are underway at this point in time, Abhishek Mani Singhvi is arguing from the side of the Delhi Chief Minister, and yet again he is informing the court that how this arrest was made at a very, very crucial time, and this arrest was made with the intention to make sure that the Delhi Chief Minister does not participate in a democratic process that is of elections, and hence the timing is something that is being questioned by the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal at this point in time. So yes, it remains to be seen as to how will the court finally look into this. But yes, definitely the legal battle that has already started doesn't seem to be ending anytime soon, and it seems like the Aam Aadmi party will use all the legal remedies that they have at this point in time to make sure that the Chief Minister can come out in some way or the other.
Well, are they confident that they have a strong case, especially after the Supreme Court granted bail to another senior party member, Sanjay Singh? How confident are the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal that they have a strong case for their client, given the fact that he has been sent to the Enforcement Directorate till the 15th of April?
So yes, the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal actually feel that there are several loopholes that were not taken care of while the Delhi Chief Minister was being arrested, and that is the case that they are putting up in front of the court. They say that the manner in which this entire arrest had happened, how the Enforcement Directorate went inside his house and then went ahead and arrested a Chief Minister of a state, this entire procedure was not done according to the law, is what the allegation of the Aam Aadmi party is. On the other hand, the Enforcement Directorate lawyers have also informed the court that all the laws were actually followed by the Enforcement Directorate, and since Arvind Kejriwal is the convener of the Aam Aadmi party, and Aam Aadmi party is the party that got benefited from the proceeds of crime that happened during this alleged liquor scam, hence the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal was something that was of utmost importance, and that is the reason why he was taken into custody. Interestingly, in the reply that has been filed by the Enforcement Directorate, they have also gone ahead and said that since the Delhi Chief Minister did not contest his custody in front of the court when the Enforcement Directorate asked for his custody for the second time, the Delhi Chief Minister did not contest that in front of the court, and hence all these challenges that are being put forth now by the legal team of Arvind Kejriwal, they have no right to do so. So yes, the arguments are on, but definitely the case on the side of the Enforcement Directorate seems to be very, very strong.
All right, Anshul, I'm going to leave it at that, but thank you so much for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you once you hear the decision made by the Delhi court, which is presently hearing a petition by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who remains in the Enforcement Directorate's custody. Some political reactions that we're going to be playing out. Let's listen in.
ILBS में हम कल जो डेट के हिसाब से मैंने कल उनको एडमिट कराया था, जो कि उनके रूटीन चेकअप का है, और 2 बजे के करीब कल हम लोगों को पता चला कि उनको बेल मिल गया है। तो अभी आज जो है कि डिस्चार्ज होंगे, 11:30-12 बजे तक डिस्चार्ज होंगे। इसके बाद वो तिहाड़ जाएंगे। उसके बाद वहाँ से 2 बज सकता है, 3 बज सकता है, वहाँ से फिर वो रिलीज होंगे। इसके बाद जब वहाँ से फ्री होंगे तो इसके बाद हम लोग मंदिर दर्शन करने के लिए जाएंगे। न्यायपालिका का भी मैं शुक्रिया करूंगी कि उन्होंने संजय जी को जो बेल दिया है, और उनसे उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो मेरे बड़े भाई अरविंद जी, मनीष जी, सत्येंद्र जैन जी है, उनको भी जल्दी ही रिलीज करें।